G'day Roosters. So pay attention to the AutoCAD command prompt. There are clues in that prompt that can save you time in every command. Take for example QDIM command. So QDIM, select the geometry you wish to dimension and then hit enter. Now you can see here it has an array of options. Now note the capitalization. These capital letters are the bare minimum to type in order for it to work. So the entire word continuous does not need to be typed because the single letter C, which is capitalized and in blue on my screen, will do the job. Also note, it is not always the first letter of the word that is the shortcut. And what is entered can either be an upper or lower case. Say if I just do a lowercase c, for example, it does continuous, and then I've got continuous dimensioning of that polyline.